Anand Ranganathan, there is a bit of there is a bit of a funny side to this as well. It's like a mother who sends her child for an exam. Either she's worried कि ये pass होगा कि नहीं, or she's worried कि ये अगर first भी आ गया तो कितने percentage से first आएगा, 99 होगा कि 100 होगा. So for Modi, they've set the standards that if he doesn't get 100%, then he hasn't done well. For Rahul Gandhi, the bar is much lower. His strike rate is 12%, 17%. So if he gets even a 25%, he's done damn well. Is that how we are analyzing the situation today?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Three issues here. Let me delve into them one by one. Narendra Modi has a strike rate of Surya Kumar Yadav. Rahul Gandhi has a strike rate of Akhilesh Yadav. So let there be no bones about it. And आज मुझे मोदी जी की दूरदर्शिता का एहसास हो रहा है, because when he started the slogan अब की बार 400 पार, I was the first one to castigate him. I said, where is the need? This displays overconfidence. लेकिन अब उन्होंने 400 पार कहा. So the dooms, day and naysayers are saying, अरे भाई 270 आ जाएंगे, तो मेजॉरिटी आ जाएगी, लेकिन 400 नहीं जाएगा. अगर वो 300 कहते तो कहते हैं तो 180 आने वाले हैं. So psychologically, I think he's played a chess game there. But before I come to the other crux of the issue about percentages, Navika, I have to dispel this, what Tehseen, my good friend, has said. I think it is outrageous, absolutely outrageous, bordering on unacceptable, that the opposition parties have been crying hoarse about the EVMs. They've been doing it for decades. That's okay, you can do it. And Tehseen himself has said, Prashant Bhushan ko main value nahi karta, which is all fair and good. Lekin for Rahul Gandhi and others to say they want 100% tallying of VVPATs with EVM is even more outrageous. I'll tell you why. It is akin to saying that Tehseen is monitoring the earth revolving around its axis for 365 days, but he says, nahi, I still doubt whether it does it for all time. I want to monitor for 5 more years, for 365 days into 5, just to be sure. It is, I'll tell you why it is outrageous. One EVM and VVPAT counting takes 50 minutes. Can you imagine? 5 EVMs will take 5 hours, the amount of delay that it will cost. And because of that reason, the Election Commission...
Anand, I didn't expect this of you.
Let the scientists talk about this. Tehseen, please, you border on your expertise. Let me just talk about this. The Election Commission
trust me, this is my
went
expertise.
to... Please do not
Stick to biology.
All right, allow him to finish his point.
Navika, this is very unfair. Yes, Election Commission has said for one tallying of EVM, it takes 50 minutes. It's going to take hours on end for us to tally. For that reason, they went to Indian Statistical Institute, Chennai Mathematical Institute, and IIT Chennai. They devised a mathematical formula, and they said not more than 2% of VVPATs should be tallied with EVMs to give you a fair amount of statistical analysis and authenticity that everything is hunky-dory, which is what was agreed by Supreme Court, 2%. Now 118 crore people have cast their vote since VVPAT came in. Not a single complaint has been upheld as being true. Not one. ये लोग मजाक बना रहे हैं, इनको साइंस का आता पता है नहीं, घूमते फिरते पान खाते चले आते हैं, और 100% टैलिंग होगी तो ये 1 साल लगेगा इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट्स आने में. पर ये क्यों डर रहे हैं इतना? इसलिए डर रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस का, अगर बीजेपी का स्लोगन है आपकी बार 400 पार, कांग्रेस का आपकी बार 40 पार.
Okay, just allow me. First of all, Anand, I understand you're very good in biology, but certainly astrophysics is not your strong point. Suddenly,
it's your strong point.
अरे भैया, अरे bro, you talk or I'll talk. अभी आप बीच में बोलोगे.
I thought you're a lawyer. When did you become an astrophysicist?
Yeah, I'm not, but he definitely not his strong point. Now let me just.
No, but then that doesn't mean that it's your strong point. And you're castigating him on astrophysics as if you're an astrophysicist.
Of course, but can I give the answer?
नहीं कमाल है भाई. एक तुम्हारी.
Let your viewers get the answer. He's made
because
some
you're an astrophysicist.
No, I'm not an astrophysicist. Since he's raised it, allow me. Why do you have to defend something that's wrong? Allow me to make the answer. One. Now let's leave that out now, because now that'll be a waste of time. Now let me come to the straight issue. Anand, by his own admission, says, as the Election Commission says, it'll take us multiple hours to calculate all VVPATs and EVMs. You know how much time it'll take? 1 day. 1 day. Now what Anand is saying is, no, 1 day is too much in a democracy of India to tally everything. Now what is the solution for that? You also have machines, barcode scanners that can scan your VVPAT with your EVM. which you can do as you do in all sort of malls where you have machines that tally your bill. You can use scanners. You don't want to do it. You don't want the scanning to happen. You don't want to spend one day to check 100% tallying.
No,
You're
what do you
saying,
mean
why
by
should we?
what do you
Why
mean
is
by
one
you
day?
don't want to do
Why?
it?
Anand,
What do you mean? You and your government have been in power. You didn't do it. Why do you want the BJP to do it? Why do you want the election? No, you.
आपको नहीं चाहिए answer. You don't want your viewers to know.
आपके पास आंसर नहीं है. आंसर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास है. आप सोचते हैं कि आपके पास आंसर है. Nalin Kohli.
This is not fair. You
Nalin Kohli.
You gave Anand a free run
1
to
minute.
spread lies
I'm sorry.
about the EVMs.
I'm
no, it's
sorry.
not right.
No, you cannot make that charge
Okay,
at me.
of course.
I have
When I'm
given you.
answering- no,
I have
no,
given
I'm
you more
answering the
time
question.
than I have given Anand
No, but you're not
Ranganathan, and
allowing
I
me to
will
answer.
decide.
You're
I
not-
will decide
of
on
course,
this
you're
show.
not allowing me to answer.
Nalin
How can you
Kohli.
make a false charge?
This is not a rally. This
He's
is not
making
a
false
rally.
charge.
No.
Let the viewers of Times now
Okay,
know
Nalin
Anand is
Kohli.
misleading
Nalin
and the
Kohli.
answers are not coming.
Nalin Kohli, do you think it will take only one day to
One
count?
day.
Okay.
One day with
Nalin Kohli.
scanners.
Nalin
One day.
Kohli. Is there any proof that there will be only one
अरे
day?
इन्होंने कहा
You know,
election
Tehseen,
commission
why
में.
don't you conduct the show?
No, I think Navika ji, see, in fairness to Tehseen, and we have to be fair to him, he after all is following the magic wand of his leader or the leader he admires, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is capable of everything. He can convert a potato into sona, gold. यहाँ से आलू डालो, वहाँ से सोना निकलेगा. That's his court, not mine.
Actually, that was Modi ji.
And this is Mr. Rahul Gandhi said, क्या है, चुटकी में ऐसा सब कुछ हो जाएगा. For him, everything is like a game. Life is far more serious than that.